The first 30 days with your new dog. When it comes to an amazing pet, nothing compares to a dog. You likely care for a dog already, or are considering adopting one, as you have located this video. It isn't easy to take care of a dog, but this video has all the great hints you need to make dog ownership a blast. Whenever you travel with your pet, don't skimp on the packing. Of course you need to be well supplied with his food, water and any medications he may be on, but experts advise that you also bring his grooming supplies, vaccination paperwork, tags and an extra leash. Also, bring a flat sheet for when your dog will be on hotel furniture. Brushing your dog's teeth is important, but it is not easy. If your dog is resisting, once a day simply lift their lips and use your finger to rub their teeth lightly. Do it quickly at first, and then begin to draw out the time you spend performing this action. This will help them get used to the process. After that, you can begin using an actual brush and toothpaste. Don't be upset if your dog does not want to get dressed up. It's becoming more popular to dress your dog in dog clothes, but some dogs just don't like the feeling of having clothes on. If your dog does not relax after the clothing is on, you should remove the clothing to avoid your dog trying to remove it by itself. With all of this great information in hand, prepare to use it to better your dog's life. There is nothing like making your canine companion happy. In return for what you do for your dog, you will get their love back as well as feel great about making them a happy, healthy pup. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.